look better, and provide real energy efficiency, all while increasing the comfortability of your home. For over 50 Armstrong Painting, Roofing, and Windows. Free estimates and financing available when you call toll-free 855-777-1234 or online at armstrong1234.com. Armstrong Painting, Roofing, and Windows. License 245291.
Hi, this is George with Left Coast Buyers. We buy properties all over California. If you own a house or an apartment building and want to sell it fast at a great price, call us at 925-490-2000. We can pay cash and close in as little as 7 days. We buy properties in any condition, any price range, and can help you in any situation. Do you own a property that is run down and needs thousands of dollars in repairs? Are you out of time, money, and energy? Let us help. Are you looking for an easy way to get top dollar for your property and sell on your terms and timeline? Well, call Left Coast Buyers now at 925-490-2000. We can solve any problem. We buy divorce houses, inherited houses. We even buy vacant houses and abandoned houses. Do you have a tenant who hasn't paid rent? Are you behind on property taxes, mortgage payments, or even facing a foreclosure? Even if you're just nervous about capital gains or an upcoming recession, we've seen it all. So if you or someone you know owns a property and needs to sell, call Left Coast Buyers at 925-490-2000. That's 925-490-2000.
11:58 at KCBS. We are checking back with Victor in your local Honda dealers traffic center. We start off in Fremont.
A little bit of a slowdown on 680 in the southbound direction after Washington Boulevard, just as you come around that curve. Before you get into Durham Road, you're going to be on the brakes there. Nothing being reported of anything slowing you. You're pretty much slow until you get to right around Mission Boulevard. If you see anything there, any details, we greatly appreciate. KCBS, that is our phone force. As far as northbound 680, that looks really good coming out of Fremont over the Sonoma Grade. All the way into Pleasanton. We'll take that all the way to 580, looking really good for that matter. Even if you continue on northbound 680 all the way into Walnut Creek, Highway 24, you are cleared at the speed limit. And speaking of Highway 24, also looking really good, be in both directions between 680 and Walnut Creek. That'll get Orinda through the Caldecott Tunnel and into Oakland. Your next traffic update at 12:08 on the traffic leader, KCBS.
To burn through the clouds on the central part of the bay, already doing that inland. We're looking at 60s at the coast, 70s around the bay, mid to upper 80s inland. Clouds will return overnight and stick around tomorrow morning, but then burn off for the afternoon. Look for highs just a little bit warmer than today. Traffic and weather together on the 8th and All News 106.9 and AM 740 KCBS, where it is Tuesday, October 4th, 2022. Coming up on KCBS.
This is Matt Bigler in Richmond, where the mayor suggests that RV dwellers park in front of his political opponents' houses.
No, this is just like not decent.
I'm Kathy Novak. San Francisco police are now offering the